Hello, in front of me I've got SHARK ChillPill. In this video I'll show you device unboxing. Before we unbox it, let's take a look at the original box. Firstly, we can find name of the device in few languages. On the bottom there is nothing, and right here we can find additional informations about this device. Let's open it. Firstly, we can find the instruction manual. Now we can find fan, mist device, and cooling plate. Inside the box we can also find warranty card, filters, USB charging cable, and transportation cloth. Now let's take a look at our device. The fan itself can rotate in few ways. You can set it like this, like this, like this, and basically adjust the fan direction to your needs. Fan can be replaced with the mist device and cooling plate. Right here we've got the power lock, and here we've got the screen with the on-off button. To use it, we have to install correct attachment. This part can be rotated, thanks to which we can change power of the fan. Here we can find USB-C charging port. The fan has 10 modes. Each mode is stronger and should be used in the correct scenarios. Modes from 1 to 5 are designed to use indoors, and from 6 to 10 are designed to use outdoors. Right here we can find the filter, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.